Where we at?
Where am I at?
Where are we at?
Oh, we're in motherfucking Osky indeed, it's Oskaloosa. About to shred up and shred down. Get in.
Alright, so hot. Do it. You don't even know. It is hot.
Hey!
Apparently.
And you'll know it was me by the trail of demos. Yep. Spare me the details, emails, memos. Dookie gold chain letter to whom it make a song. Put this around your neck until you're hanging on my every word. Stalking, walking in my big black boots. I'm the DIY artist with thick grass roots. Had a couple managers as a youth. I was too young to know better, but I was like, what does a manager do? Now one of them, he saw dollar signs in my skin color. The other, he said to keep it undercover. Post VIP posse, pre-internet Nazi era. Powers of suggested I be what I'm not, and that's not me ever. From La Cienega to Meadowbrook Drive, never look
Not top side, but top side.
I'll just go.
Top side, but not top side.
I'll hit it right after you do it.
18-year-old gladiator freak with the fever for the flavor of a fight on a mic. Followed the leader, Mr. Chuck was the surrogate father, KRS-One the teacher. There I was, sneaking in the clubs, beating MC to the punch over instrumental stuff from tape deck to tape.
What do you think of Sean's blading?
Man, his skating needs to die.
Get it? Started breaking rules 10 years later, still hadn't stopped. Won the biggest battle in a Metallica shirt before the album dropped. A week later, smashed a trophy at a show. Was taking up the space that I needed to grow. Drop goes the easy. This is hip hop for the people.
Yep, you got a smudge on your butt.
I know a kid who thinks he's hip hop cause he buys it. I know a kid who thinks he's hip hop cause he never buys shit.
I float like a butterfly, skate like I'm drunk as fuck.
When J. Brew came clean. Before the Freddie Fox conflict with DMX. Around the time when Jay-Z and Nas' girl had sex. I used to wake up every morning on a hardwood floor. Living in Brooklyn with a car I couldn't afford. And if I wasn't hanging out in front of Fat Beast Records, I was in the factory mailing out my 12 inches. Nowadays, the DJs don't even spin wax. The fuck a promo copy, buddy, you can download the track. Serato, homosexual laptop, a hollow existence in a bottle. You sip, then swallow. I trip quick and follow the path that made sense. Started out with a live band, then worked with turntablists. Now I strike the match with the back of my front teeth and light up the stage with just speech. I remember the days Ken and Dave let me crash on the couch. Then I saved, but I couldn't put the cash in my mouth. When I played in my hood, I had a fraction of ounce. Till atmosphere put me on, and now we're back in the house. Since the mid-'80s, this has been a game of cat and mouse. It's funny hearing all the shit these rappers brag about. Knowing all of them are walking around with mouth down. Talking about it's only status and platinum plaques that count. Drop goes the easel, the easels. This is hip hop for the people. Stop calling it emo. Irony is dead. It's so motherfucking dead. I was there by his deathbed, and the last words that it said was white boy. I'm still sick with an independent record label. I built quick just when I got sick of waiting tables. And in the blink of an eye, I waged war. As a known soldier with the soul you can't pay for. I ran a business on my own two legs. Known to beg if I needed to with homegrown bootlegs. Cut and paste images on my face. Photocopied and sloppily placed them in a case. Strange famous. I stayed true when school was in session. Went to college to buy time. That shit was expensive. So I shamelessly self-promoted the radio station. Would open doors and opportunities. Eventually made it to Oakland. Where Anticon accepted me with open hands. Journals got personal on a $1 revenge. We had a hope that a UK label smashed. So I crossed out my eyes and signed the epitaph. This is the hustle of an MC. Distrust is healthy in a dirty industry where the promises are empty. I'm more honest and friendly, more handsome than sexy. Let me bring you up to speed. Humans do it, dance, it's deadly.
Bam, bitch! Bam! Just came off forward, but hell happened. But I did it, I guess. Yeah, dude, you did it. Cool. Let's go. Like right before you said that. I think this trip's gonna have more B-roll than actual skating. Yeah. That's cool. Ah! Fuck! Yeah, a little bit.
I got some chest hair too. I got all the chest hair them bitches want, baby. So I'll do his trick right after him.
Alright.
Don't mean shit.
don't mean shit. We do tricks back to back.
I float like a butterfly and skate like I'm drunk as fuck.
Like Mike's like, she was hitting on you. I was like, she's like 12. Mike's like, she has to be 16 to work here.
Hey, bitch, you know you love me, right? Hey, bitch, you know ugly, right? Here's my number.
We're gonna fuck Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, we got Mike here. So.
Hey, welcome back.
Hi, Sean. Hey. Anything you want to say? Hi.
It's none of your business.
It's none of your business. You get the fuck out of here.
Dude, I can't even backflip on the fucking ground, dude. I break my neck. I can't front flip either. Watch.
What the fuck, man?
I can't do that shit, dude.
You're gonna get hurt.
I get scared.
You filmed that, right? Yeah. Thank God. Whoa!